Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete friends in Pokémon Go. To delete friends in Pokémon Go, first of all, open the Pokémon Go application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. After you're inside the game, tap on your profile avatar at the bottom left-hand corner. Now from the page, tap on Friends tab at the top, and inside the Friends tab, select one of the friends you'd like to delete or remove from your friend list. Now once their profile pops up, scroll all the way down and click on Remove Friend. Click on Yes in the pop-up to confirm that you'd like to delete them from your friend list. And soon after you do that, you will be able to delete the selected person from your list. Removing a friend will end your friendship level progress with them. You can re-add the same person later if needed by exchanging trainer codes again. So that's how you easily delete a friend from your friend list in Pokémon Go. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.